Friends, today we'll talk about these plants, beautiful, lovely foliage plants called pothos. They're also called money plant in India, and devil's ivy also it is called. And they come in different varieties, and I have about three pothos variety. This is the most ordinary one which I am showing you, but this is the most hardy also. The second one comes this yellow one. This is called golden pothos, and it is slightly delicate as compared to the earlier one, but this looks very beautiful. This is very susceptible to the heat, so it should not be kept in direct heat. In fact, all the pothos should not be kept in direct heat. They like sunlight, but not the direct heat. So this is the third variety, friends, and because of the harsh heat, just before day before yesterday and 2 days back also, the temperature was very high, about 46 degrees. So this has taken the brunt of that. The leaves, the beautiful leaves, got burnt from sides. But anyhow, this is developing new leaves also. So this is going to do well even then. This is a beautiful variety of pothos, friends, and this is called marble queen. Marble queen, yes. So I have kept it in a hanging basket, and when it will start trailing, it is really going to look very, very beautiful. See the leaves, see the variegation in the leaves. It's just beautiful. I'll show you the close. You see this? They are beautiful. I love this plant. So this is another variety. So right now I have only these three varieties. So let's talk about the propagation, the care, the soil, the watering about these plants. So if we talk about the soil, then it requires just well-drained soil. It doesn't have any specifications. It just need to be the soil has to be just well-draining soil, because it doesn't like to stand in water like most of the plants. And otherwise, if you talk about the fertilizers for this plant, this loves coffee and coffee grounds. But we should not overdo it also, because coffee is very acidic. Little bit at times, about once in a month, very little can be added into the soil. So, and if we talk about the watering, then it requires water frequently, and it likes moist soil, but it can survive in very dry soil also. Dry soil also, yes. Then water, you keep misting it sometimes, but the misting water should be very clean, because it is very susceptible to fungal diseases. It catches the fungus very soon, friends. So be careful. If you mist it, then you have to wipe it. You have to wipe the leaves also of the excess water on the leaves. Sometimes the leaves start getting rot also. So that's about watering and soil. So let's talk about the propagation now. The propagation is very easy, and these are the easiest plant to propagate. You see, friends, this is the new shoot, and if you just take out this cutting from here, this is the node area, and just 1/4 inch above this you can cut it, like here, from here, and put it in water. So after a few days you will see the roots have developed, and then you can plant it in the soil. So the propagation is very easy, and it depends on you what kind of arrangement or what kind of designing you want for your plant, this money plant or pothos, because you can make a bush like plant also, like I have made in this pot of mine, or you can put it in the hanging basket like this one is in the hanging basket, and when you hang it and the plant grows little big, it starts trailing and it does very well. The third is you can just keep it in a pot and let it grow just like this. Keep cutting, keep making cuttings, and keep propagating, and they do well. The another way to grow your money plants or pothos is with the moss stick. The moss sticks are available in the markets. You can just buy a moss stick and put it in a pot, stick it in a pot, and around it you can plant your pothos. So their roots will go around that moss stick, and they'll start growing very well. So the fertilizer I want to tell you this also, that it takes NPK very well. NPK 20-20-20, like you take about 1 teaspoon of NPK and mix it in a liter of water and just spray it on the foliage. So the foliage do very well. So these are simple plants and they do very well. And let me tell you this also, friends, they are very, very useful plants for your house. Why? Because they purify your air in the room. So they clears benjamin and some toxins from the air. Then carbon monoxide is cleared from the air. So they are basically air purifying plants. Must grow them, must make lots of them, so then you can keep on your office table, in your bathroom table, or anywhere near the window where they get some sunlight. They do very well and they are very useful. So that was about pothos, friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Happy gardening.